Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ananjan Shah. My research area is cloud computing, IoT, software engineering. I have also qualified GATE 2023. I am also a TOT and ISTC certified. I have 17 plus years of experience in teaching and industries. I'm an IT trainer. NPTEL Cloud Computing top for top 5%. I am the director of Smart Classes India. Today, I'm going to solve the fundamentals of computer system, which last date is 15th May 2025. Now, let's start the uh, answering. Before that, I would like to say something that I have also secured the best rank, that is in NPTEL online certification program. I also appeared the cloud computing subjects and I was the top for 5%. And I also got the silver badge out of practical 25 out of 25 secured. Okay, and this was the 79%, which was a secured out of 16,686 persons. Candidates appeared in that moment. Now, let's time to solve the questions here. The CIT-001 computer fundamental of the computer systems. Here we can find 10 questions and we will try to solve the 10 questions one by one. So let's start the first questions here. The question in number one is: a computer is an electronic device which process input data and produce information as output. It is a true statement. You can see why you can say it is a true statement. The computer process input data to generate meaningful output, which is information. So it is a true statement. Moving to the question number two, the control unit. Control unit is a part of central processing unit. See, central processing units consist of three parts: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and operational register. Register means memory. So control unit is a part of central processing unit. Yes, it is a true statement. So you can see here the CPU consists of the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and register. Register means memory. Try to understand. Register means memory. Moving to the question number three, arithmetic and logical operations are performed. We know the CPU consisting of three parts: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and operational registers. What is arithmetic logic unit? All the arithmeticals and logicals in functions are held in a special type of unit. That unit is called an arithmetic logic unit. Okay, arithmetical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions is like that. Logical and logical of. So there is a special type of unit that is happened in arithmetic and logic unit. So in ALU is responsible for performing the arithmetical and logical function in the CPU, central processing unit. So option 3 is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4, which of the following is not a part of the CPU? Part of a CPU. CPU consists of three parts, already said: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, plus operational registers. But here main memory means primary memory. Okay, sorry, here you can see which of the following not a part of the CPU? That is main memory. Main memory here is not a part of the systems. So the CPU consists of control unit, arithmetic logic unit, but main memory, you can say main memory is a RAM, random access memory, is separated from the CPU. That's why main memory is not a part of the CPU. Moving to the question number 5, which of the following is not a non-volatile memory? Non-volatile memory is the secondary memory. Secondary memory means it can store the data permanently. Store the data permanently. Cache memory is a volatile memory. CPU memory also, and main memory also the volatile memory. But non-volatile memory, which can store the data permanently, that is a secondary storage device, you can say. So moving to the question number 5, secondary memory such as hard disks, SSD, solid state drive, non-volatile, and retains the data even after the power is turned off. Okay, so secondary storage device is a non-volatile memory. Moving to the question number 6, which memory holds the data and program currently needed for the processing? Which memory required? Which memory required? See, memory required is the main memory. Main memory is primary memory. The main memory of the RAM holds the data and programs currently being processed by the CPU. So answer is the main memory, which is option number 3. Moving to the question number 7, which of the following is true for hard disks? For hard disks. So what is your hard disk? Hard disk can store the storage, the digit storage device. It is a storage device. Why it is not an input device? Because what is an input device? The device through which you will give the instruction to the computer to perform a specific task is known as input devices. Okay, that is called mouse, keyboard, is like that. But what is the output device? The device through which you will give the we get the desired result in the form of audio, in the form of a video, in the form of any type of form that we can get in the form of a physical, okay, or output. That is called a output device. But Hard disk is a storage device. It will store the data in the form of various type of forms it can store. So which of the following is true for the hard disk? Hard disk can store the device data. So 7 options. Storage device. Hard disk is store device used to store the data permanently. Moving to the question number 8, without an input devices, computer should not able to get data from the outside. You cannot get data from the outside. Okay. See, without an input device, computer will not able to get the data from the outside. Input device such as keyboard, mouse allow computer to receive data from the external sources. Okay. So your questions is get the data from the outside will be the right answer. Which of the following memory loss is contained when computer is turned off? When a computer is turned off, computer is turned because RAM is a main memory or primary memory. So which of the following memory loss when the content when its contents when computer is turned off, we know the computer is turned off, the RAM is a volatile memory and it losses its contents when the power is turned off. Okay, that's why random access memory will be the right answer. Which of the following is not a pointing device? Pointing means to indicate, that means to select, okay, to move, that type of device. We know mouse is also a pointing device. Okay, touchscreen also a pointing device, light pen is also a pointing device, but in other hand the keyboard is not a pointing device. It is a input devices. Keyboard is a input devices. See, the keyboard is an input device, but not a pointing device. Pointing devices include mic, touch screen, and light pens. Show your keyboard in the right answer. Once again, we have to verify. Answer question number 1 is true. Question number 2 is true. Question number 3 is arithmetical logic unit. Question number 4 is the main memory. Question number 5 is non-volatile memory is the secondary memory. Question number 6 is the main memory. Okay. Question number 7, hard disk, it is to store the devices. Question number 8, get the data from the outside. Question number 9 is the RAM. And question number 10, it's the keyboard. Keyboard is not a pointing device. Now I'm going to submit the answer. See what is indicating that. Yeah, your answer is successfully submitted, guys. My answer is successfully submitted. Week 1 we have completed. Now very soon going to try to solve the week 2. Okay, week 2 questions. We'll produce the answer of these questions. Till then, if you like my video, definitely I hope you definitely subscribe my channels and you can like and share my channel to the other people so that the other people can be benefited. Okay, till then, bye bye.